RMV Mora, and I'm here to tell you about a course called the Manufacturing Prep Course that I am launching in November. I'm so excited. I haven't done this in a long time, but I've been super inspired because I talk to so many designers that call me and say, I need a manufacturer. And then I ask the questions, do you have patterns? Do you have your fabric? Do you have your elastic, your labels? And a lot of times the answers to those questions are no. So what you actually need is the vendors and the templates and the checklist so that you're prepared for manufacturing. So I put together this course. We're doing it in November. You'll be done by Thanksgiving, have some time to work so that 2022 can be your year that you launch your fashion collection. We're gonna talk about everything that you need before you go to the factory so that you can call the factories and look like a professional and have them take you seriously, because you're gonna have everything buttoned up and perfect for them to see you and be like, yes, this person knows what they're doing. We wanna work with them. We think they're gonna be successful. Let's do their first production run. We're gonna go over tech packs, templates, what is expected, vendors, where to get labels, everything that you need so that you can walk into that factory with confidence. And guess what? If you take the course and you do all the things that I've set forth and you put it together and you're ready for manufacturing, you can come to me, show me what you're doing, we'll talk about the minimums, and I will hand select a factory for you that's gonna be able to get your production done. So what that means is you'll have your product, it'll be ready, you can sell it to your customers by taking this course. And if you're interested, sign up, email us. If you have any questions, you can always reach out. So I'm super excited, hope to see you in the class.